Hello, great learners. This is Maths Theatre TV. This is Mr. Innocent. On this channel, we groom our grade 12 learners preparing for Waec and Jamb examination. So if you're seeing this channel for the very first time, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post some of these exciting lectures. Now, for today, we're going to be looking at linear equations in modular arithmetic. And we have three interesting questions here. The first one says, given that 5 plus y is equals to 2, mod 7. Now we are asked to find the value of y. Now we're going to treat this, we will treat our normal simple what? Simple linear equation. Now we bring that out, we have 5 plus y equals 2. Here, what you simply do is this, make the y the subject of the formula. So in other words, you move the 5 what? Move the 5 to the right hand side. And if you do that, the 5, the sign of the 5 will what? We change to what? To negative. So we end up having y equals 2. When the 5 crosses the right hand side, it becomes 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Don't forget, we're working in mode 7. Okay, now y now give us 2 minus 5. That will give us minus 3. That will give us minus 3. Mode 7. Now, how do we get the answer from here now? Since we have a negative number here, what we simply do is what? We add the mode to this value here, minus 3, and we do that until we get to what? The very first positive number we get becomes our answer. So that gives us minus 3, we add the mode to it, and that will give us what? Positive 4. So therefore, the value of y in that question is what? Is 4. Which you can also go back and do what? And do a check if it is correct. Putting the 4 here, that will give us what? That will give us 9 when we add. 5 plus 4, that's 9. We'll divide the 9 by 7 to give us 1 with the remainder of 2. And remember, the remainder is what we usually place as what? As the solution. Let's see the second question here that says 24 equals 3 mod x, and we have to find the value of x. Now, what this simply means is that when we divide 24 by the value of x here, it will give us a quotient with the remainder 3. To give us a quotient with the remainder 3. So that simply means if we subtract the 3 from what? From 24, the difference, x is a factor of that difference. So what we're saying here now is that what? X is a factor of 24 minus 3. And that will give us 21. When we subtract the 3, which is the remainder from this, whatever is remaining, x is a factor of it. So the factors of 21, we have it to be 1, 3, 7, and what? And 21. Now, if you do a test run on the factors you have here, 24 divided by 1, that will give us 24. 24 divided by 3, that will give us 8. So there's no remainder to that. Now, about 24 divided by 7 will give us 3 with a remainder of 3. So also 24 divided by 21 will also give us 1 with a remainder of 3. 24 divided by 3, no, divided by 7, we'll check 3, that was 8. 24 divided by 7, that will give us 3 with a remainder of 3. Also 24 divided by 21 will also give us 1 with a remainder of 3. So it is only 7 and 21, which are the factors of what? 21. Is only these two factors that will produce what? That will produce the remainder 3 when we divide it by what? When we divide it by, when we divide 24 by either of them. So the value of x there, is either 7 or 21. 7 or 21. They are the two factors such that if we divide 24 by either of them, it will give us a remainder 3. Now let's see the third question we have here. They said given 2x plus 1 is equals to 4 in mode 7, we have to find the least value of what? The least value of x. Now let's see this now. Now just like we had here, that simply means that this expression, when it was divided by 7, it gave us what? A quotient with a remainder 4. But that's the answer there. 4 is the remainder. So that simply means that if we remove the 4 from this expression, whatever is remaining, 7 is a factor of that difference. So say here that what? 7 is a factor of 2x plus 1 minus 4. And when we simplify that, that will give us 2x plus 1 minus 4, and that will give us 2x minus 3. So we're saying that 7 is a factor of what? Is a factor of this expression. Now, by trial and error what should be the least value of x here, such that when we simplify that and divide it by, when we simplify that and divide by 7, it will produce for us the remainder what? 4. So if the value of x here is 1, assuming the value of x here is 1, 2 times 1, that will what? That will give us 2, and 2 minus 3, of course, that's negative 1. The value of s is 2, 2 times 2, that's 4, 4 minus 3, that's 1. That will not be the solution to the problem. Therefore, I have the value of s as 3, 2 times 3, that's 6. 6 minus 3, of course, that will give us what? That will give us 3, and 7 can be a factor of that. If we use 4, 2 times 4, that will give us 8. 8 minus 3 will give us what? 5. Equally, 7 can be a factor of that. Now, if we use 5, 2 times 5 is what? That's 10. 10 minus 3, that will give us 7. And you agree with me that 7 is a factor of what? Is a factor of what? Itself. So therefore, by trial and error now, the value of x is what? The least value of x is what? Is 5. Which we can also run a check on by placing the 5 here. 2 times 5, that will give us 10. Then 10 plus 1, that's 11. Then divide 11 by 7. You discover that what you're going to have what? You're going to have 1 with the remainder what? 4. Which proves that what? This is the least value of x that will give 4 as the remainder when we divide by the mode 7. So that will be the size of our lectures today as regard linear equation in modular arithmetic. If you've gotten a value from today's lecture, please one more time give a like to this video, and do subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification as we keep posting these interesting topics. Also, until I see you in our next lecture, don't forget, your success is my delight. Peace.